Tired of constantly wondering where your money goes? Feeling like you're always broke, even though you feel like you're not overspending? You're not alone. Millions of people struggle to track their finances effectively. But what if there was a simple, user-friendly app that could take the stress out of budgeting? Well, that's where PocketGuard comes in. In this video, we're going to dive deep into how to get started with PocketGuard. We'll cover everything from the initial setup to advanced features so you can finally gain control of your finances. First things first, download the PocketGuard app. It's available on both iOS and Android. Once downloaded, you'll be prompted to connect your bank accounts. Don't worry, PocketGuard uses bank-level security to protect your information. Once connected, PocketGuard will automatically start tracking your income and expenses. It uses AI to categorize transactions, making it incredibly easy to see where your money is going. You can customize these categories to fit your specific spending habits. For example, you might want to create a separate category for groceries, entertainment, or even coffee. One of the most powerful features of PocketGuard is its in-depth insights. This section provides a comprehensive overview of your spending habits, highlighting areas where you might be overspending. For example, it might show you that you're spending too much on dining out or that your subscription fees are eating into your budget. PocketGuard also offers a personalized in-pocket goal. This feature helps you save money towards a specific goal, such as a vacation, a down payment on a house, or even an emergency fund. You can set a savings target and PocketGuard will automatically track your progress and provide helpful tips to stay on track. But what if you want to actively manage your budget? PocketGuard makes it incredibly easy. You can create a budget for each category and track your spending against those limits. The app will alert you when you're approaching or exceeding your budget, giving you the opportunity to make adjustments. PocketGuard also offers a unique feature called In Pocket. This is essentially your virtual piggy bank. You can easily transfer money from your checking account to In Pocket with just a few taps. This helps you keep your savings separate from your everyday expenses, making it less tempting to dip into your savings for non-essential purchases. Beyond the core features, PocketGuard also offers a range of helpful tools, such as bill reminders, debt trackers, and investment tracking. These features can help you stay organized and make informed financial decisions. Tips for getting the most out of PocketGuard. Be consistent. The more consistently you use PocketGuard, the more accurate and helpful it will become. Make it a habit to check the app regularly, even if it's just for a few minutes each day. Customize. Take advantage of PocketGuard's customization options. Create categories that reflect your specific spending habits and adjust your budget as needed. Set realistic goals. Don't set unrealistic savings goals. Start small and gradually increase your savings target as you progress. Utilize In Pocket. Make regular transfers to In Pocket to build up your savings. The more you use In Pocket, the easier it will become to save money. Explore advanced features. Don't be afraid to explore the more advanced features of PocketGuard, such as bill reminders and investment tracking. These features can be incredibly helpful for managing your finances. With PocketGuard, taking control of your finances doesn't have to be a daunting task. By utilizing its powerful features and following a few simple tips, you can gain a better understanding of your spending habits and achieve your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.